Hey there, I'm Cynthia and welcome to the Dinner Fix. Today I'm going to be preparing a meal requested by my most loyal viewer, my husband, who recently had a craving for a Cuban-style ropa vieja. Now, if you're not familiar with the dish, ropa vieja consists of beef that has been slow braised, shredded, and then mixed with peppers, onions, and other yummy bits. Traditionally, it's served alongside steamed rice, black beans, and of course plantains to round out the meal. Now, it isn't a dish that is particularly difficult to make, though it does require a bit of time, which is why I like making it in a slow cooker. I can just kind of throw things in there, set it and forget it for a few hours, though this can be made in an oven if you don't have a slow cooker, and I've provided instructions for both methods of preparation in the details section below. Now, if you have a meal that you would like me to prepare, that you would like to learn how to make, please let me know in the comment section below. I am happy to fulfill those requests. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let me show you how to make this.